92.3 FM Radio Manila, your favorite music radio, Ka-Vibes! Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our guest, Co-DJ.
Yes!
Co-DJ
Brother
of the day. Yes, brother siya. Tingnan natin kung paano ang kanyang intro. I-welcome na po natin the Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 second Big Blazer. Ayan. I-welcome po natin Rain Salmar.
Hello po mga ka-vibes! Hello! This is Rain Salmar. Wow!
Wow! That's the energy!
Diba? I love it.
How do you feel that finally you're here? You have arrived. O, diba? Ang taro. Wow!
Talaga, it's exciting kasi nakapag-DJ ako kanina. And it's like fascinating to see everything work. So, I'm excited.
Yes, ayan. Pero alam mo, kalma lang to. Kung paano tayo magkwentuhan off the air, walang camera, hindi tayo naka-ere sa buong mundo. Ganun din to. Chikahan lang tayo dito. Okay, ayan. Una sa lahat, mula sa amin sa 92.3 FM Radio Manila, we would like to congratulate you because etong ayong Meet Your Rain album launch and fan meet ay sold out na!
Thank you po! Thank you! Yeah!
Anong masasabi mo?
All I can say is that I'm really thankful po kasi hindi ko naman po yan masosold out eh. It's the people that are supporting me, so I'm very thankful for them po talaga.
Kahapon, nakita ko doon sa napakasikat na blue chair sa opisina ng aking mahal na mahal. Ang boss ko talaga, Roxy Likigan, Sir Rox, I miss you. Sa kanyang opisina, nandoon ang blue chair. Nakita ko, diba, talagang doon inanunsyo, parang after ng mga ganap mo, na ipasilip sa'yo na parang, girl, your album launch and meet and greet is sold out. Can you take us back kung ano yung eksena kahapon? Kasi syempre, diba, this is the fruit of your hard work, diba? Yung pagpo-promo, pagbisita sa kung saan-saan, pag-share na ikaw ay may gaganaping concert sa May 30.
Yeah, so yesterday po, after my ganap, I was told na I have a meeting daw sa Star Music. So I went there. Tapos, sabi daw, do you want food? Wait lang ha, kasi parang something. Basta gumagawa sila ng eksena. Sabi ko, grabe, parang, sige.
Kinukutuban ka na?
Hindi. Kasi po, parang ang tagal. Tapos sabi pa ng RM ko na we'll talk muna sa room, dun sa may blue chair. Kasi about something. Tapos, she left me for a while. So nagpicture-picture muna ako sa may blue chair. Sabi ko, manifest tayo, manifest. Hinawak-hawakan ko yung chair. Sabi ko, let's go, sold out to, sold out. Wala lang, funsies lang, manifestation. Tapos bigla sabi ng RM ko, baba daw muna kami. Ay, panik daw muna kami kasi kakausapin ako ng manager ko. So, sumunod ako sa kanya. Tapos mamaya, wala pa yung manager ko, pero sabi niya, baba daw muna kami kasi andun na yung kakausap sa akin sa Star Music. So, bumaba na naman ako. Tapos, ayun pala, may surprise pala. Boom! Naglabas ng bouquet. Sabi niya, congratulations! Sold out na! Amazing! So, grabe, ang haba ng eksena nila, yun pala yung gusto nilang gawin.
Kumbaga, meron talaga silang inihandang sorpresa para sa'yo. Nung nakaraang interview natin, hindi natin natalakay ng todo-todo kung ano ba talaga yung Be Loved, diba? Oo, kasi this is parang yung pinaka-album mo, diba? Parang yung Meet Your Rain, the title of your Meet and Greet and the album launch. Pero yung mismong album, ang pinaka-title niya is
Be Loved.
Be Loved. Oh, can you tell us, bakit siya naging Be Loved? Sino yung B? May ibig sabihin ba yung B? Oo.
Oo naman yung may meaning yung B, pero...
Sobrang OA na yun, diba?
Sobrang
Super OA.
Pwede natin siyang gawing Be.
Yeah, Beloved, no? Parang pwede din siya.
Beloved, gano'n. Pwede rin B. Be Loved, gano'n.
Right. But then actually, Be Loved po, it's just like Gen Z way of saying Be Loved, yung B-E-L-O-V-E-D. So it was like a short way to say Be Loved, very Gen Z way. Tapos it's actually the first song na I recorded ever. So like, yun talaga yung first ever experience ko ng pagre-record ng song, like meeting producers, ganun. So I was like, oh. But then when I recorded that song, hindi pa siya na plan to be the title track. But then like, when I finished the album na, and we had to think, what was the title track song? I felt like Be Loved was very catchy and very, a song that can touch everyone, like not our generation lang, but also old people. I'm kidding. But like older generations. And that it's a song that they can really dance to, ganon. And also Be Loved, the title is very, it can already hold the other songs that I wrote kasi. Like, I don't know, I can't really explain why Be Loved was the title track, but kasi it's just a good title track talaga.
And tsaka feeling ko kasi, diba, it matches your energy. And of course, your generation as well. Diba, kapag sinabi natin Be Loved, diba, sabi nga nila, merong mga Gen Z slang, diba, may mga ganun. So parang, diba, ang sarap maglabas ng kauna-unahan mong album na alam mo na parang may kinalaman sa'yo talaga. Diba, na parang hindi lang kunyari, hindi mo pwedeng sinabi. Diba yung sa atin dati, when it rains,
it's Salmar.
Sorry, diba ganun? Diba ganun? Pero dito kasi album mo to na ikaw mismo, marami dito sa mga tracks ang sumulat. Oo, diba? Let's talk about yung pagiging singer-songwriter.
Wow.
Diba? Oo. Ang pagiging isang singer-songwriter po ay hindi po ganun kadali kasi marami tayong kilala na mga musicians, musikero na kaya nilang kumanta pero pagdating sa paggawa ng pagsulat ng mga songs nila, medyo hirap sila dito. Kailan mo na-discover na you can write and at the same time you can sing?
So for the singing po, ever since I was bata pa, I really sang in like family occasions, competitions, ganon, or like school events. So I kind of knew na I liked singing.
Sumasali ka sa mga contest.
Sa school lang, I never really like went out of that. Kaya this whole thing is new to me talaga. So ayun, like ever since I was like 3 years old siguro, may mga videos na kumakanta ako ng mga tono tapos gawa ko yung lyrics. Pero hindi siya totoong lyrics, parang baby talk lang siya. Pero may tono siya. So I was like, I can sing at that age. So parang I kept doing that and I enjoyed doing that in school. So I knew na I was singing. But then the songwriting naman, I tried when I was bata pa. Pero di talaga parang
Yung hindi pa magka-rhyme.
I was doing it,
ganon.
parang I was doing my thing in the CR, like, you know, trying to push something out. Tapos,
Kunyari,
oo.
ganda.
Oo.
Ang ganda mo.
So
Ganon.
I was like, okay, I'm gonna make a song. I want to be a singer-songwriter someday. So I tried. Hindi talaga mag-work. Parang, it's like, hindi siya nice sa ears. Sabi ko, grabe yung mga singer-songwriters. Ang smart nila. Gusto ko maging like that.
Oo.
But then, like, I didn't really do anything. So pagka bahay ni Kuya, bawal kami kumanta doon kasi
Yes.
copyright.
Oo.
And so we were like basically forced to write a song kasi we want to sing eh. Nag-itch kami kumanta eh. Nagkaka-violations na nga ako eh. Dahil
Nababuzzer.
nakakalimutan-
Nababuzzer.
Oo, nakakalimutan ko na I can't sing songs. So ayun, I like helped with other housemates na gumagawa ng song. Nag-help ako at nakakapag-ambag talaga ako. Like, it's quite big then. So I'm like, wow, parang I can
Kaya mo
write.
pala.
Parang kaya ko pala. Kasi yung See You Happy sa bahay ni Kuya, I was actually the one that made the chorus. So I was like, the fact that that song was used many times in the house, sabi ko, so catchy yung song. So people like the song. So sabi ko, kakeri pala. So I tried to continue it outside world. And nag-work. Kasi 3 songs na i-release ko and I'm proud. I'm not shy like the girl in the CR before. So yeah, ayun.
Ang
That's how
taray, no? Kumbaga, na-develop talaga.
Yeah.
'Di ba? May purpose si Lord kung kailan mo talaga siya, 'di ba? Kung kailan mo talaga makikita na itong dating trip ko lang, pwede ko pala talaga siyang maging strength at magamit ko siya to influence people na makakapakinig sa akin. Let's, balik tayo konti. You mention na parang dati pangarap mo, ang galing ng mga singer-songwriter. Sino yung mga iniidolo mo na mga singer-songwriter natin dito sa Pinas?
Really singing when it comes to singing and songwriting, Moira de la Torre.
Of course.
Right? Because
Yes.
like her songs are really nice. Tapos I always listen to them. Tapos one day I found out siya pala nag-write nun. So I was like, paano yun? How did you get your brain to think of those lyrics? So I was like, fascinating siya. So interested ako pero I couldn't do it before talaga.
Di ba meron siya yung tagu-taguan?
Oo.
Di ba it's alarong pambata? Di ba yun?
Yes. Tagu-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan.
Hindi tayo may concert,
Ay, oo.
Bestie. Hindi tayo,
Palada
Bestie.
sa
Oo.
inyo.
Ano bumabawi nung nakaraan,
Kasi
no?
ginagalingan natin ngayon sa...
Oo. Tagu-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan.
Oh, yeah.
Walang ganon. Walang ganon.
Nagulat siya.
Walang ganon na. Walang ganon.
Wow.
Mali yun, no?
Tama na yun.
Tama naman. Pasensya, hindi ko pala yung may album, sorry. Nakirid away lang. Nakirid away lang naman, ma. Oo. Sino pa, aside from Moira de la Torre?
Right now, si Rob Daniel.
Oo, isa ring mahusay
Right?
ang si
Oo.
Rob Daniel.
And I started hearing his song Ulap before. So, doon ko siya na-discover. Tapos, paglabas ko ng bahay ni Kuya, marami pa siyang na-release pala.
Yes.
And I was like, oh, fire ng songs niya. Tapos siya din nag-write nun. So I was like, grabe talagang people in the world. Ang daming mga big brains. So I'm like, gusto ko din maging big brain.
Totoo. And eto na yun, di ba?
Ito na yun, nandito ka na, di ba?
Oo.
Pero sa family mo ba, meron bang singer?
Sa family po, like parents, brothers, wala po talaga. Not really. Parang, sakto lang. Parang, enough for the house. Enough for the house.
Sabi
Ganun.
mo sa,
At
yung
least-
sakto karaoke lang, di ba?
Yeah.
Tsaka at least yung perfect yung enough for the house. Kasi di ba normally, ang sasabihin talaga, hindi po yung pang CR lang po.
Pag ayan, totoo.
In the house naman.
Oo, pero inside the house naman yun. Oo, di ba? At least.
Yeah.
Kasi yung sa inside the house, bongga na yun. Nasa
Yes,
sala ka na doon. eh.
nakurot.
Oh, pero nung una kitang narinig.
Nagulat siya.
Ako doon.
Oy.
Oo,
Ay,
Oo, di ba? Muning, wag ka muna magulo.
Hala
Oh, may
ba?
may ano dyan, may manok.
Nako, sandali.
Ay. Grabe yung forest pala dito.
Hindi ko forest.
Ang dami pala. Zoo pala
Hindi ko
ito.
forest. Oo. Sandali, may motor. Oo, wait lang. Oh.
Ay.
Oh, may
Alis
motor.
na.
Oh, may motor.
Oh,
May
diba?
motor sa forest.
Diba?
Yes, may nagka-camping. Sorry. Naku, wait lang, alis muna ako. Magpapagas lang ako.
Sige po. Ikaw utot.
Hindi utot. Starting tayo. Hindi
starting.
utot. Mali, hindi utot yun. Anyway,
Pero-
eto na. Gusto naming malaman, syempre, di ba? Ayan, dito sa mga kanta mo, without you, parang spoiling, hindi mo siya sasabihin. Di ba yung title, hindi pa natin sinasabi, and everything. Yung mismong Beloved pa lang talaga. Ilan ang tracks na lalamanin ng Beloved? You have 3 yung sa'yo.
3 yung sa akin, 2 from Jeremy and Ate Trisha.
Oo. Si Trisha Denise.
Yes.
O, di ba, siya yung sumulat ng Sigurado, ni Bel Mariano? Di ba? Oo,
Yeah.
parang yun. Oo. So, you have Jeremy G. Okay. Sige, pwede mo bang sabihin, yung bawat kanta, ano-ano yung mga genre nila? Ito ba ay sad? Ito ba ay happy? Ito ba ay fierce? Ito ba ay sexy? Ito ba ay R&B? Ganon? Pang
Sige.
pipa, pang atake? Okay, let's go.
So, for a song, I have an R&B song. Of course, I was already like, sure akong gusto ko magka-R&B song. Kasi most of the artists I listen to, R&B. So,
Yes.
like, I wanna release ganun din. And I also have ballad.
Wow.
Whoa. like parang slow rock-ish, ganon. Tapos meron din tayong pop, like You Wanna Dance, ganon.
Ganon.
Yeah. And then, the other two, it's like a mix of everything. I don't know how to explain my album kasi, I mean, my EP, it's like a mix of everything talaga. Try nyo i-listen. Parang, alam nyo yung mga meme na parang iyak kayo. Tapos biglang,
Boom!
Okay.
Napapangiti.
Mix emotions.
Oo,
ang
yung parang
mga-
di mo alam ano yung i-feel mo. Parang, pwede ka mabaliw ng EP ko.
Tama. Kapag pinakinggan natin ang EP ni Rain Salmar, para tayo nakasakay sa isang roller coaster.
Yes,
Yeah.
perfect.
Diba yung...
Kasi,
Grabe. Effort, A plus effort.
Diba?
Magaling,
So
magaling.
much. Thank you so much. Meron ako mga nakalap na mga katanungan mula mismo sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa'yo.
Oh.
Nako, ito. Ang unang tanong nila, syempre, Rain, if ever lang, ito, mga out-of-the-box question, given a chance na halimbawa daw to debut in a P-pop group, sino ang gusto mong mga kagrupo or mga ka-members? Ayan.
Wow. Kung maka-member po, siguro po si... Hard naman ang question. Wow! Hard naman ang question.
O ano yan, kahit sino lang,
Eh,
diba?
kahit
Kahit
sino.
hindi mo batchmate, siguro yung mga na-meet mo na outside world.
Or baka gusto mo pang mas ma-meet,
Oo,
ganun.
oo.
Siguro mas safe naman to answer the people I've lived with inside the
Yes.
house.
Oh.
And I think I can see naman from Theories and Kai. Sila po.
Yes, and
Okay.
speaking of Kai, di ba pwede naman yun na P-pop group
Yes.
kayo, tatlo kayo, di ba? Theories and Kai. Speaking of Kai, may nagtatanong din na obviously, ikaw daw at saka si Kai build a strong and genuine friendship inside bahay ni Kuya. How did you maintain that friendship to grow and strong dito sa labas ng bahay? Dito?
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 Dito po sa forest. This is my motor na forest. So, actually, wala nang...
Ay,
Oh, inumin muna natin
inom
yan.
muna tayo.
Masarap.
Ayan, akala ko nahuhulog na bato yun.
Hindi yun. Oo.
Parang iba yung pandinig ko
Okay.
Okay. So, how we strengthened our friendship. Actually, strong na siya. Inside the house pa lang. Kasi, parang inside the house, it's, for me, bahay ni Kuya is like life, but then in a small, area. And parang, ang dami nang nabato na challenges nun. And we never really had a strong argument, ganon. Kasi we were both understanding, both very open-minded, and both very communicative.
The
Very-
boat is sinking.
Okay. yeah. So like we were very ganon. So it was easy to understand each other, ganon. Kaya when we got out, many things naman changed. Ngayon, minsan na lang kami nagkikita, ganon.
Correct.
But then, we both understand kasi what we're going through. Kaya it wasn't a challenge. So we didn't have to strengthen it kasi it was already strong to begin with. Ganon.
At saka diba, sa tunay na magkaibigan, kahit hindi kayo magtawagan every single day,
Yes.
hindi kayo mag-usap, maya't maya, umaga hanggang gabi, pero alam nyo sa sarili nyo na okay kayo.
Yes.
Yung isang text mo lang na kunyari, alam mong malapit ka sa kanya. Ten, dito ako, malapit na ako
Ayan.
sa'yo.
Yeah.
Mas natutuloy.
correct. Hindi siya high maintenance kung
Yes.
tawagin.
Yeah, low maintenance lang. Like, very, sponty? Kasi we can't schedule na eh. Because,
Because you can't schedule
Yeah, kasi
because
busy po
you
yun.
have RM doing your schedules
Yeah.
already.
so we can do that like before when school students lang kami. We can just like, okay, Friday, let's meet up, ganon. I mean, not Kai kasi we don't know each other before. But then ganon yun. But now we can't do that kasi we have stuff to do. Kaya sponty na lang nangyayari talaga. Like, I'll chat Kai and Ate Jazz. I'm like, guys, are you free right now? I really need to see you guys na. Like, oh yeah, let's go here. We go there. Ganon lang.
Mas biglaan, mas natutuloy.
Mas okay, oo. Totoo
kasi
yan.
diba kapag planado talaga, parang
Naku.
kunyari, napagod ka, bigla, sorry, galing ako ng ganap.
Wala na,
I want
drawing
to sleep na. Oo, diba? Hindi na nakukulayan.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
Ang mga drawing. Oo, nanatili lang siyang drawing, diba? Oo.
Wala na.
Who's your dream collab?
Dream collab. In the Philippines.
Yes.
Dream collab po talaga. Bini.
Yes.
Casey Tandingan, Moira Del Torre. Ganon.
Ganong level
Ganong
talaga,
level, gusto
no?
niyo makulab
Alam
talaga.
mo, na-excite ako kasi hindi pa naglalabas kung sino yung mga aabangang very, very special guest, di ba? Sa kanyang meet and greet. Malay nyo, isa sa mga nabanggit doon, talagang magkaroon tayo ng, Rain X KZ.
Ay!
Di ba?
Grabe.
If ever, ay, bagay! Natatandaan ko na, nagulat.
Natutuwa ka sa emosyon niya.
Gugulat.
Nagulat, oo, nagulat. Sandali. Oo. Sorry na po, huwag niyo po akong hulihin kung nagulat ako.
Ano na to?
May pulis.
Hindi mo intindihan ang lugar na to.
Hinuhuli ako, di ba? Oo, ayan. Nako, wait lang po, mamang pulis.
Asa na po ako?
Hindi, ito na. Natatandaan ko, ito pwede dito kasi dun
Ayan,
sa last
ayan.
interview ko, bawal akong kommente. Yung ano nga tayo, show me no face and
yeah.
my finger.
Killing Me Softly.
Yan yung Killing Me Softly.
Okay.
Naalala ko lang, may version yan si KZ Tandingan.
Yeah. Very reggae.
Talagang yung,
Pwede mo ba kami bigyan ng
parang mali,
sample?
hindi ganun yung sa akin.
I don't think I can Casey Tandingan style kasi it's her style.
Yes.
Yeah, your style.
Yes, your style. We'll give you the floor.
Let's go, let's
Nako.
give it a round of applause.
Yes, a round of applause.
Yan!
Please welcome Sample with Ray Salmar.
Okay. Strumming my pain with his fingers. Yo.
Yun lang.
Singing my life with his words.
Yeah.
Killing me softly with this song. Killing me softly with this song. Telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Ganon.
Ganon.
Alam mo, binigla nila ako talaga because nung first time nilang mag-mall show, ako kagad yung nag-host for
Oh,
their,
yeah.
for their Bida Ka Pamilya. We went to Bataan.
Yes.
Ang dami naming mga pinuntang iba't ibang lugar for Bida Ka Pamilya. Tapos na-amaze ako sa silang mga Big Four. Actually, hindi lang yung Big Four eh. Yung batch nila,
Yeah,
diba?
nung PBBJ
Our
11,
batch sila,
yes.
they can really sing.
I know.
Diba? Tapos sabi ko, ay, ang tari ng mga to. Ang next nito ay album nga. And then finally, diba, it's happening.
Yeah.
Diba? So sabi ko, ang galing. So before nga talaga, parang nagamit mo ba yan? Na kunyari parang, o sa bahay lang, sa family affair lang yung
The what?
yung pagiging singer.
Singer?
Oo, hindi mo ba yan ginawa? Kasi di ba nung pandemic may mga live streaming, live streaming
Yeah.
events. Oo.
Nagka-cover, di ba? Song
Ano,
cover.
wali?
Like, I always sing in family karaoke, ganun. Ako talaga pambato nila
Oh, wait
doon.
lang.
Oh.
Sorry ka. Sa inyo hindi ganun banggitin.
Hindi
Paano?
ganun.
Family
Karaoke sa kanila.
sa kanila karaoke.
Karaoke.
Sa inyo.
Karaoke lang yan.
Ay, hindi ganon.
Ano sa inyo? Sa amin
Merienda sa
kara-
inyo yon.
Ay, sa inyo.
Karaoke. Charing.
Ay,
Ay,
iba.
ay.
Ayan na.
So, yun nga po. Bakit ganon?
Anyway, you always sing in your family karaoke.
Karaoke?
Gusto ko yung ganyan. Dapat ganyan din ako
Okay,
sa
sige, okay.
So, I always sing in my family.
So now let's start.
With-
Bawat magtatagalog, you need to pay 20 pesos.
Okay.
Let's start in English. Let's do the locomotion.
Alright.
Alright, okay. Here we go. Challenge
So how is
accepted.
it? How is it?
So I always sing in my family occasions.
Alright.
And when we're all together, they always want to push me to sing talaga.
Yeah.
Ay, oh!
Talaga!
Talaga! Talaga!
Talaga!
20 pesos.
Wait, ay, seryoso?
Okay.
Seryoso over there!
Yes, 20 pesos. Okay, so 20
Wow,
pesos.
20
I will calculate it in a very short while.
Alright.
I told you, don't panic. It's organic.
I just arrived and I have utang now.
You have 40 pesos.
Oh my gosh! I really love this game.
Oh, I love this
So
game.
after the interview, Basti, we
Yes.
can go out, we
Yes.
have dinner. you know?
Correct.
Yeah. So please be
Okay.
careful, okay?
Okay,
I'll
I'll
be
be.
careful.
Okay.
So, whoa! I almost said something again.
Yes.
So, in family occasions, I sing. And other than that, in school occasions naman.
Naman. 60 pesos.
I am loving this game.
Oh my
It's
god.
giving-
It's okay, that's the last one. And you guys are gonna...
Are gonna make...
Oh my gosh, you have 20 pesos. I'm getting more money. Let's go. Give me. Oh, you're really writing
Yeah,
it, right?
I owe you guys. I'm
Okay.
chatting. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Let's just do it Gcash, okay? Ay! Alright! So anyway...
Bank transfer.
Alright, bank transfer. So anyway, yeah, in school occasions, I sing also well. Kasi... Oh my gosh, can we like enough na?
Okay, sige. Your wish is my command.
Your wish is our command.
But don't worry. 1, 2, 3. Can you make one more so that we can earn 100 today?
I don't think so.
Yun nga. No, just kidding.
Just
Diba, it's a
kidding.
fun game. Okay,
Yes.
continue.
No, it's not kidding. You pay, ha?
I paid
You
20.
you
I paid 20. You paid 20.
Oh, so
40.
never mind. Never mind.
Okay.
So, yun nga po. I'm
Ayan.
in school, palaging may event talaga na we showcase our talents. And so, I do that kasi parang that's the only time I can do it eh. Kasi outside school, I don't join. I don't do anything talaga. So, ayun, I do it in school. But then, dung pandemic, the one you mentioned, like, siguro content creating about singing, I never did any of those. Parang siguro I take some videos and just post it in my
Social
Your
media.
social media account. Okay, so ano yung nakakapagpabisi sa'yo nung panahon ng pandemya? Diba, like
Yes.
everybody is just, bawal lumabas.
Bawal lumabas.
Oh, yeah.
Kapag lumabas ka, may nag-comply ka.
Bawal lumabas. Bawal lumabas.
Gulo dito ah. So, in pandemic, ang ginawa ko po talaga was, actually, parang, I was kind of productive noon. Parang,
Studying.
I mean,
Paano yun? Ang dami niya ng sa TikTok. Yung mga,
Umiiwas.
rain mentality. Yung,
Rain car.
Oo, rain car.
wait lang.
Okay, stop.
Wait,
Okay.
I do online classes, but then, I said productive, not studying naman. I study naman, ha? Parents, I study. Ano na talaga, like,
Nawagan na.
what I meant was, like, I was into sports noon talaga.
Ah, okay. What sports?
Volleyball, badminton, I always went out to neighbors na. But then, that was already like nung hindi na...
Ganun kahigpit, oo.
Okay.
When it was higpit, I was watching K-dramas.
Ah,
Ganun
yes.
talaga.
Anong favorite K-drama mo?
That's really hard sa favorites. Yun yung hardest question for me.
But
But then,
that's not maganda eh, no?
but then what I remember,
Ako talaga yung yung kay, yung may
Crash Landing
Crash
on You.
Landing on You.
ano
Yung-
ko alam ka agad?
Because I am fan
Yes,
of K.
ikaw. Tsaka yung 200 pounds of beauty. Gusto ko din
Yes.
yun.
Yeah.
Correct, tama.
Diba? Tsaka yung isa pa, yung True Beauty.
Yes.
Yung every time na nag-makeup siya.
Kasi favorite mo rin si
Chaon
Chaon
Mo.
mo.
So did you
Diba?
watch because of the actor or the story?
Because of the actor, because he's my husband. But we're not okay right now. Sorry.
Okay.
Can you press the police?
Wait, Lynn! Huwag mo naman ako ipahuli!
Gusto mo yung nagagano? siya. Pindot mo yung police.
Go, DJ, go.
Okay, go,
Ay, may
DJ.
tao.
Ay,
Sorry,
open the
sorry.
door.
Scary siya! Hindi ko na alam saan ako.
Nako, no. Oo.
Pero ikaw, okay.
Yeah, one of my favorites, it's okay not to be okay.
Oh, yes.
Oh
Because of
my
Kim
God.
So-yeon and the girl G.
But then the story is really nice. It's like
Yes.
not. Tapos yung acting skills, it's crazy. And then magkaka-Filipino adaptation pa.
And Curtis.
And Joshua
Yeah.
Garcia.
That's why I'm so
Carla
excited.
Aquino.
Wow, right?
Diba?
Kaya I'm so excited to watch talaga.
What if no, isama ka nila doon?
Oh.
I mean, pwede naman po. Pwede naman
Available?
Po. Available naman po. Maging nurse over there.
Totoo. Nanawagan.
Totoo.
Malay mo, di ba?
Grabe talaga yun.
Yes.
Ito na yung manifestation,
Totoo.
diba?
Lahat ng mga nangyayari ngayon, isinisigaw namin, di ba? We always believe sa the power of words and
Yes.
manifestation.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
Manifestation. Mga mangkukulam.
Grabe talaga dito.
Mga mangkukulam. Mga mangkukulam, di ba? May sumpa, di ba? Oh. Nagulat ka ba? Kaya naman lahat ng gusto mong sabihin mo na tinatawag natin ang buong mga kalangitan.
Kunin niyo na ako! Ay, hindi yung langit. Yung ano, yung isang totally okay adaptation.
Kunin niyo na ako sa teleserye.
Teleserye. Sa teleserye po. Get me na. Come on.
Oo. Pag yan nangyari, di ba? Babalik ka dito. Lahat ng...
Hindi, kakatok ako. And
Tama.
then you will press pause.
Ayan.
Totoo, kakatok. Hello,
Hindi
Ray.
yan eh.
Ay, wala kami kakatok. Wala kami kakatok. Wala kasi
May
kami
open the
kakatok
door
eh.
dyan. Open door. Meron dyan.
Ay, hello, Rain.
Yarn!
Grabe, kakatukan yan.
Yes.
Quasi.
Nara.
Oo.
Mahogany.
Mahogany?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes na pampaalsa. Charing. We will challenge you.
Hindi ko na naiintindihan ang world dito.
I will challenge you and my partner will challenge you.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready for
Ready
the
ka na?
challenge?
I am always ready.
All right. Is
Before we
this
challenge you, ang
Okay.
segment na ito ay tinatawag natin na Asal.
Asal. Ang sa amin lang.
Asal. Ang sa amin lang.
At para sa segment na to,
Di ba nagbigay? You've mentioned that your track is like this, diba? Parang,
yes.
kanina sobrang high din.
Ang segment na ito ay malalaman natin kung ano nga ba ang nilalaman ng iyong puso.
Puso.
Ang mga tanong na maaari mong makuha sa asal ay mga katanungan na hindi mo madalas na naririnig o na itatanong sa'yo. Okay?
Are you ready?
Let's start
I am
with
ready. Okay.
the bunot. 3, 1. You will read the brown one. Yan. Huwag mo na yung likod ha. Okay? Okay? Okay. So, Rain?
Ilagay yung top eh.
Okay, yung brown muna ha. The first question is, anong ansabi?
Takot ka ba sa sarili mong multo?
Oh.
Oh, there's two meanings na ng multo ngayon eh.
Yes.
Yes.
Is it multo talaga like bruh? Or the multo na minumulto na mo? So what's that? What's this multo?
Up to you.
Up to you. It's
In
your
what
point of view
context?
eh.
Oo.
Siguro I'll think about the boo.
Okay.
So if it's multo, takot ka ba sa... I think that's scary.
The real one.
Oh, kasi imagine you see yourself but then multo version standing in front of you. Di ba that's scary? I'd rather see someone else na multo, not myself.
Yes.
Okay.
Scary talaga.
How about in the context of love?
Yes, other.
Yung ano, yung minumulto. Siguro that is gonna be scary kasi multo is a what if. It's like, grabe yung, it's like a what if, it's like a, it's low-key a regret na parang you didn't do it, you wasted a chance.
Meron bang ganun? sa buhay
Na-experience mo yun?
Wala naman, no? Hindi niya ako nangyari. So, anyway. No, but actually, wala po. And I'm actually scared na in the future, I get this type of multo. I mean, may mga simple multos ako like, something in, basta yung mga little things lang. But then if it's like the love multo na, that's scary kasi you don't wanna have regrets in life.
Totoo.
Yeah. So that is scary. The answer is yes.
May nag-chat.
Ayan na.
May nag-chat.
Tama na.
Ang daming chat.
I-off mo yung phone.
Ang daming nag-chat. Anong sabi daw
Sabi sa likod.
Ang mga multo ng nakaraan ay hindi narito para tukulake.
Ulit.
Okay, ulit.
Ang mga multo ng nakaraan ay hindi narito para takutin ka. But to remind us that change and growth is possible.
May tumawag.
May tatawag.
Turn the phone off!
Police! Oh.
Ayan na.
Bakit ang daming nangyayari dito?
Anong next?
Next
Brown.
question.
Kailan ka huling tumingin sa salamin at nagsabi ng mahal kita sa sarili mo? Oh. Kasi sa camera ko siya sinasabi. Ay.
Kasi nga ngayon, di ba? Ang ating mga cellphone ay ang ating mga salamin na
Correct.
rin.
Totoo.
Actually, that's a good question. Siguro, I realize now na sometimes I get hard on myself. Na parang I don't really say the nice things to myself. Siguro that's a realization now. And siguro after this, I'll go to my mirror and say I love myself. I love you, Rain.
Yes.
Yes.
Kayo rin po mga ka-vibes,
Sabihin
no?
nyo rin
Sabihin
yan.
nyo po sa sarili nyo, kada pagising ninyo, I love you. Huwag kang mag-alala, okay ka.
Yeah.
Tap mo
Diba?
lang.
Yeah,
Oo.
kasi-
You're doing great job.
Kasi you might be very,
Too harsh, diba? Minsan, sobrang na tayo napipressure, hindi na natin namamalayan na yung sarili natin, napapabayaan na natin.
Yeah.
Lalo na dun sa mga tao na merong genuine and kind heart talaga. Diba sa ganun na personality, ang hilig natin na ibigay yung lahat ng kagustuhan sa paligid natin.
Yeah.
Tapos pagdating sa bahay, pag uwi natin,
Yeah.
paano ako? Hindi pa pala ako makain.
Ay, oo.
Diba? Kasi
Akala ko
naiwan,
sinabi
kasi
mo.
naiwan ko yung wallet ko.
Ayan.
So, yun.
Yes.
And then there are other people din na like affirming others and then they forget to affirm themselves. And that's what I realized. So parang, you also have to do it to yourself. Kasi sometimes you won't hear it from other people.
Correct.
So do it for
Totoo.
yourself.
Totoo. Anong sabi sa likod?
Sabi sa likod, hindi dapat to wow! Hindi dapat to bihira. Self-love must be spoken more often than you should.
Yes.
And I agree. That's true.
Lahat na nag-agree, everybody say ho!
Ho!
Say ho, ho, ho!
So yun, kasi many naman sa atin nagsasabi we love ourselves, ganun. But then, it's different when you say it talaga. So say it, try it.
Yes.
Totoo.
Ngayon,
Say it
simulan
now.
mo na. Oo.
I love you, mahal.
Yourself nga.
Ay, hindi ba nakalaki mahal ko? Nakikinig. Sorry.
Yourself
So,
nga,
nga,
diba?
anak. I love you,
Yourself.
Jai-ho.
Alright.
Say it.
I love you, Kim Chorva.
Wow.
Okay, chorba.
Say it.
I love you, Reina Samar.
Wow. Everybody, if you love yourself, come on. Put your hands up in the air. Ano.
Ito talaga yung pinaka-grabe na ginawa ko in my life. Parang ang dami ko nang pinuntahan, deep conversations, pinuntahan ko pa yung Pasko, ang dami nang ginagawa dito, ang dami pa naririnig, nagre-reklamo. Grabe! Woo! Naguguluhan na ako.
Pero last na.
Okay, last na yan.
Okay.
Last.
Let's go. Ano ang madalas mong ipagkait sa sarili mo?
Ay, naku,
Ayan.
man.
Na alam mong deserve mo? Chocolate. Ay, sorry.
Talaga?
Chocolate.
Diet ka rin?
Ano parang, sabi ko, parang, I think that's a big thing that can be seen as a small thing. You know, sometimes I deprive myself from things that make me happy. Like food. It sounds a small thing, but then if it makes me happy, why not do it, diba? After a long day of work, I think I deserve a chocolate.
Totoo.
Yes.
And that just says so much. Na sometimes when you do something, you deserve rest. You deserve a treat for yourself.
Right. Massage.
Yeah. Oo.
Going
Baby time.
mag-pamper ka.
Baby
Oo.
time.
Yes.
Diba? Part yan.
Sige, fine.
Siyempre siya, bagets na siya. Wala pa siya dun sa moment na yun.
But yeah, so
Pamper
whatever.
time.
Saka diba,
Yes.
I know that you believe in the saying na when you're happy and you know, you clap your hands. When you're happy and you know, you clap your hands. When you're happy and you know.
Grabe talaga dito!
Anong sabi sa likod?
Sabi sa likod, kung kaya mo itong ibigay sa iba, huwag mo itong ipagkait sa sarili mo.
See?
Right?
Oh.
Right? Kasi, I know very many generous people, but aren't generous to themselves. And all I can say is, put yourself first.
Yes.
Totoo.
yourself first.
Para mga magulang lang din natin, di ba?
Totoo.
Tayo ang inuuna
Yeah.
nila.
Saka diba, lagi natin narinig, lalo ngayon Friday ngayon, mamaya, pag gumimik kayo, marinig nyo, put your hands up in the air, put your hands up.
Sabi kasi, treat daw yung sarili. Eh, di nag-treat sila. Nag-Friday
Oo.
night.
Oh, grabe talaga. Ako pa sisisihin. Baka pag uwi nila, sabi po kasi ni Rainy, treat yourself. Tapos, baka i-chat ako ng mga mama nyo dyan, ha?
Hindi.
Hindi ganun yun.
Hindi, ang
ganon.
maganda, imbitahan
Yan.
mo na sila na wag silang mag-go out ngayon, lalo na yung mga bagets. I-ready nila ang mga boses nila, ang emosyon nila sa May 30.
Ayan, dito ka tumama.
Ayan.
Walang forest, pero ito yon. Sa May 30, Sky Dome, 7 p.m. yan, guys. Do you wanna meet your rain sa Meet Your Rain? So, I think... Uy! Yeah. sorry, na-distract. But like, I feel like everybody wants to be loved. And when you go there, when you go Sky Dome on May 30, you're gonna be loved.
Yes.
Boom!
Yes, sir.
Police! Yes! Right?
Ay, hindi ko natanong, kamusta outfit mo? Nakapag-look-test ka na, ganun.
Wow!
Without giving them the hint, ha,
Yes.
para abangan nila. Ano?
Kamusta ang preparasyon mo?
Yeah, so some outfits I did fitting and I'm like, wow! Grabe! I can't believe I saw myself. Dapat hindi nyo din mapaniwala. Makita nyo ako. Grabe na yan.
Naku, ako kinakabahan talaga ako.
Kaya ako super excited
Joke lang.
naman.
Kinakabahan
Baka
ako.
naman mag-expect sila ng long gown. Hindi po. But yeah, I did some preparations na.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you
How's
so
your experience dito sa
Tapos
92.3? Yes.
Ay,
Hindi mo na
bilis
malayan. Halos mag-iisang oras na tayo nagchichikahan. Yes.
Diba sabi ko kanina, tomorrow again.
Yes, totoo
Kasi
yan.
I already felt like it's gonna be bitten. Kasi
Totoo.
right now, it's bitten. I wanna hear more Forest.
Yes,
and,
yes.
And more
Oo.
kumakatok. And buti pa dito may nagchat-chat sa akin eh.
Ay, ayan o. Ayan o.
O diba? Ang daming notifications.
Ay, may tumatawag pa sa'yo.
I turn it off.
Hello.
Ala, bakit siya ganyan? But yeah, I had so
Oo.
much fun. It's great. I want to be back here. I'll be back here when I'm part of a teleserye.
Yes, please. Oo, diba? If you're
Yeah.
part of teleserye or any MMK episode.
Oh, speaking about series though.
Yes.
So plug it in.
Go.
Okay, go.
Have you ever heard about Love at First Spike?
Of course. It is starred by Emilio.
Emilio Diaz.
Emilio Diaz.
And?
And many more. Rain Parani.
Oh, yeah.
I know.
You know.
Sky Kizan.
Oh,
And-
yeah.
And there's more.
Sean Tristan.
Sean Tristan. Dylan.
Oh, yeah, Dylan.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And there's more.
Yeah. There's so much
Rain.
more.
Rain Salmar. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. Rachel Moore.
There's more.
Invite them. Go.
Guys, I am inviting you all to download I Want TFC now kasi lalabas na siya sa June. May isa, kapag
So
hindi niyo pa i-download, may isa-spike ko kayo sa... No, joke lang. Iba yun.
Iba
But
yun.
I won't spike in the court though. I will set kasi I'm a setter and ayun nga, it's my first acting series. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo?
Download
Watch na
na.
kayo.
Ay, tagal.
Maglalaro ka daw ba sa All-Star Games?
Ayun!
Hindi ka pa nagtatraining, no?
Hindi pa ako nakapag-training dahil sa ating schedule na ito!
Hindi rin ako nakakapag-training dahil baka matamaan ang nose ko.
Let's go! So, sabay na lang tayo.
Sabay na tayo.
Both irregular students po kami.
Pinagagalitan na po kami ni Captain Luz. Tinatawagan na po
Hahabol
ng isang
po
araw.
ako.
Habol po kami pag
Kaya
medyo
yan.
kaya ko na po.
Opo.
Let's go.
Oras natin mga ka-vibes of 502. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Kaya naman mag-click like and subscribe sa 92.3 FM Radio Manila at makinig Lunes hanggang Biyernes kasama ang nag-iisang beshi ng bayan at ang Diyosa ng kalsada. Ako po si Jaiho.
At syempre naman, gayon din, kasama nyo rin ang chinita, ang chikadora, ang bestie mo, ang bestie ko, ang bestie nyo lahat, Kim Chorva!
At syempre naman, nakasama niyo ako. Rain Selmar, if you wanna be loved, then be loved! Ala! Teaser na yun ah! Boom! Grabe!
92.3 FM Radio Manila.